If you are coach, consultant, and trainer, and if you are looking for start your digital coaching, then you need LMS, lead magnet, funnel, everything. So I'm here helping you for creating your digital asset, your digital hub. FlexiFunnel is one of the great product which I'm using. And if you have no time, yeah, you are looking for done for you service, then I'm showing the FlexiFunnel. I'm using a multiple funnels. Among that, FlexiFunnel is the India's people's created is a made in India funnel which we can use, and it is very wonderful. So many features are there. So I'm explaining you. So let's talk about the flexi funnel. If you see about the flexi funnel, then it come with a manual monthly payment also and yearly payment also. Of course, as you know, on the commercial term, when you buy a yearly plan, it is a cheap. Yeah, it is economical compared to the monthly payment. So flexi funnel has a many lot advantages. Like a project, you can create a multiple project in it. Up to 9 project you can create it in single license. Uh, it has a generated data also. You can track your audience, means those people who are watching your any digital content. You can set up Excel code, yeah, Google data sheet code. So you can retarget, yeah, remarket that people, your audience. You can get a statistics about all the data. Opt-in data is there. You can download in a Excel CSV format also, and you can share a funnel also. You can, if you have your fellow coach and you want to share that your funnel to them for coaching, you can do that. There is a drag and drop funnel builder, page builder is there. Easy drag and drag. But if you need a customized service, we are already provide you. As you know, we are providing a performance marketing service from Surat. We have a pan India, and in fact in many country of the world also we have a customer. So you can do it as I say previously, GT and GT Matrix and Google Page inside. You can get a lot of DI done for you template like email opening, sales page, product launch formula, video sequence, webinar registration, checkout, upsell, downsell, local business branding, B2B, and even thank you page when people are signing. Built-in block section also, bonus, pricing, templates, all are there. I'm explaining in a step by step also. Actually, I have planned to do in a public program. So I will build one of the coaches websites and everything online. Uh, you can set your blog also. You can create your template also, lazy loader for the fast page delivery. Pop-ups you can, because whenever people go out from your content, you can drag him back by giving some discount, yeah, something catchy. Uh, you can create a website, okay, and it's a mobile friendly. So whenever you create a design, it automatically convert in a mobile system also. SEO settings are there, and advanced setting like a skew, transformation, scale, rotate, XY axis, and all these things are there. And then product checkout page, multiple things are there. Product image, checkout form, down timer to create a promo in a client, money back guarantee like that, testimonial, everything you can create. You can, and one of the best advantages is that you can create and sell product very easily. There is a training also there. FlexiFunnel come with a training also right now. It might be not in a later, but currently they are offering the training also. But still, you are focusing on your main content and you want to become a subject master expert, then we provide a complete service like a digital marketing, video editing, graphic creating, everything we are providing. I'm explaining this for my clients' requirements, that what is a benefit and advantage. Multiple pricing option. You can read and all the option which are currently a modern day funnel builder has, that all these things are there. It is a connected with a all the payment method like a Stripe, PayPal, RezoPay, Caspree, and subscription payment, weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, 6 monthly, and annual payment you can also set. And you can customize the recurring price and one-time joining price also. And there is a trial period. It is upcoming features very come soon. And after purchase, non-bad data. And autoresponder and webhook integration is also upcoming features they are suggested. Automated customer voice in customer invoice sending through email is there. Coupon is there because whenever you are doing a webinar, you have to give a coupon. Multiple coupon can be created a single product. And account wise means that the person who reply first, if you are giving the offer that this is for first 5 people, this is a this product, and after that pricing increase, you can do like that for more sequences also. Upselling is also planned in added features very soon. Digital asset like a PDF, CSV, JPG file, automatic delivery through email you can create. IPN integration is coming very soon, and split payment option also coming soon. And you can create your membership product, means your video, audio, digital product delivery. You can do it, and you can monitor your client also. Fully customized is checkout payment, checkout page is planning. Everything is there. I'm showing this complete product in actual use also, and you can create a membership site for LMS also. Uh, Email URL automatically sent to a client when they make a payment through their email, opt-in email. Security features like this is the main benefit that your course will be protected. Nobody can download. So base part is that it cannot be pirated. Security features, right click was a disable in the membership area, so people cannot use any software and download. Uh, uh, Base time is that only 2 people can see it one accidentally cancel. अगर एक से ज्यादा लोग, if multiple people are try to use it, then again that log out from the first person. So mentality of people to buy one course and see multiple people, that also you can protect from here. Security features, name, email of a course buyer will be visible inside course video. So multiple people cannot see. Okay. And even screen recording also stop after few updates. So it is in upcoming features. Super fast membership and navigation area, fully mobile, customized, responsible member area. Bulk video importing from the YouTube Vimeo playlist, and you can create a separate session over there. Drip feed content in a specific date, so you can create a super rich learning experience also. So people can see the video only after previous one was completed, yeah, previous task was completed, and multiple course can be created inside one membership. And you can create a single video, but you can connected in a multiple bundles. You can create a iteration into that. So you can use this more lesson, same bundle of existing customer. When you create a course and after there is any update, you can update same in a existing customer also, so that they can benefit and they get connected and they get updated also. This is a hook, so you can continuously touch with your client. A bundle upselling, you can create a manual access creation and deletion option is also available. So is there any issue, you can do manual deletion also. And you can import a member through CSV file also if you have a, it is on request. So if you using any another services, any page builder, any LMS, but you want to transfer here, that is also possible without hassle free. Uh, Automatic buyer access is given with a thank you page, and buyer get a email and their name access immediately after they make a payment. There is an integration, you can see RezoPay, Constant Connect, MailChimp, PayPal, Active Connect, SendLane, InstaMojo, Aweber, Constant, iConnect, GoWebinar. This is a few webinar, a few email service provider, few payment gateway, few funnel builder, everything. It is a this flexi funnel is a connect with everybody. You can connect, yeah, integrate it with everybody. CNAME mapping can be possible. A recording is mapping possible. Autoresponder, you can connect them also. Uh, Autoresponder parse code, you can use the HTML code through also. Webinar integration, they already connect with the Go to webinar. Payment integration, RezoPay, Caspery, PayPal, Stripe. And payment integration, you can connect with the multiple accounts. Uh, Video integration, they already started with a Vimeo, Webhook. Also connected IVN integration is upcoming features, and WordPress plugin is upcoming features also. Then there is a sales funnel or advanced funnel you can create it, and advanced analytical and detailed programming of dashboard, because this is the one things which give you inside, give you some idea to how to upscale, yeah, scale up your content journey, yeah, your business. So you can find out from detail, all the detail, that what are unique customer is there, their email ID, their phone number, then transaction ID, product, currency, date, page view, unique visitor, checkout, all and unique, sales, unique order, gross revenue, average value orders. So you can plan your pricing details, earning per visitor, conversion rate, checkout conversion rate, upcoming product status, refund, refunded customer, refund amount, refund rate, net revenue, rebill and rebill revenue. Then you can do this project-wide dashboard also. It is already plan upcoming, so we are not discussing much more. Whenever there is a live, yeah, there it is come, we'll so, but this show that you can put a filter, page view, lead, page wise lead, opt-in rate, sales funnel, sales total unit, sales data, basically refund data, net revenue, average order value, earning per visitor, and project conversion days. Then funnel wise dashboard there, that is also planned. So there are many more things are there, then more general reporting dashboard features. You can get lot many things here, that card abundant, email fail, you are not losing a money on table, fail payment data, everything about your payment. It is a one a very much detail required to nail down our money area. So it is one of the things. Then live chat support they are offering from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Indian standard, Monday to Saturday, and on Sundays 9 to 6 a.m. Product training they are providing, marketing lessons already included, copywriting, few of the training. A public roadmap portal is there, active bug report portal is there, bi-monthly they are doing a question answer sensor. So DDoS means protection from hackers also there. Auto SSL, all page and domain they are providing there. You not need to buy, like in a WordPress, GoDaddy and everybody are demanding a separate money for SSL certificate that you supposed to not give. Uh, and very good features is exceptional speed, high speed loading is required as per Google requirement, because the customer experience is the main things we have to focus nowadays. And you can become a affiliate also, and sub-user access. If you have any person who in your office who handling behalf of you can give limited rights, and you can use that. So this is all the things we are currently providing to our customer. And if you have face any problem, you can contact us, and we are giving a complete service. If you are interested to start your digital journey, and if you are interested to create a content, create a webinar, create a lead magnet, you are created to LMS, or if you are interested for creating a digital marketing also, we are providing a service. We are already plan to start a YouTube bootcamp, so you can join that also. It's absolutely free for 5 day. And from creating your email to how you can reach your 1,000 customer and 4,000 hours target time, whatever times that we are teaching in a 5 day bootcamp. So if you are interested, you can join. If you are interested that you are focusing on your main part in a subject matter expert area, where you can record your course and do webinar, all other things. If you want to outsource, we are giving a complete package service also. For that, my link is given. You can check the detailed things over there. You can set up a discovery call, so I can share my happy clients detail also. You can interact with them also, how satisfactory we are providing a service. You can see watch from our website also, esellerexpert.com, or you can check from our YouTube channel also, customer feedback. We are giving a complete service, like everyday social media posting, tracking of the all the data, LMS, video editing, funnel, everything, whatever you want. Your work is only just to create a content, sit on computer, create a video. We guiding for that also, few guidelines, few templates we are providing for creating also. Which instrument you're supposed to buy, which from where buy, what is the rate, what is the cheapest rate, and at which time it is available in a deep discount also. That all the detail we are providing in our discovery session. So if you are a coach, consultant, trainer, and you want to now become a truly a world class and want to be created digital assets. It is a time to connect us and get our service. Thank you.